この番組はご覧のスポンサーの提供でお送りします。
I saw someone did a website, a Fauna Ara website. Out of my 500 Ara video stream. It was not a video, that one was actually live, unlike this stream, which is pre-recorded. Just kidding. Someone made a website where you can push a button and randomly get an Ara. And it shows you the like global counter for how many times people have pushed the button, and people have pushed it like, I think over like 50,000 times. Which is kind of amazing. My Ara-Aras have been listened to over 50,000 times? What? Wait, is it the millions now? No! Wait, really? It's 1.5 million? Wait, really? No. Really? People listen to my Ara over 1 million times? What? Oh my goodness. I'm honored. I'm honored. Wow. Thank you for listening so many times. I can't believe it.